This is the formula I use to create breakout trading strategies on indexes, energies, grains, metals, soft, currencies, meat, bonds and European markets. Altogether, staggering 27 markets. This breakout trading formula works like a magic and you can create thousands of viable swing trading strategies once you start using it. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple but essential steps to start creating viable swing strategies on nearly any market you want. Hi, my name is Tomas Nesnidal, in the trading industry known as the Mr. Breakout. I'm a professional breakout trading specialist, the author of the life-changing breakout trading book, and author of the universal breakout trading formula, highly prized by traders and professionals from around the world, which you can get at this link. In the previous video, I have described a simple template which I use to create day trading strategies, while the same template can be used to create swing strategies, but there will be important changes and nuances. So let's start with a quick recapitulation of this proven and highly profitable template. Step number 1, you need a proven template. Breakout trading is really easy. Breakout trading is based on a strong market momentum, and if you can calculate the optimum moment or optimum space where and when to enter this momentum, you have a tradable strategy. So this is what I use and I describe in my Breakout Trading Revolution book. First of all, you need to calculate a point of initiation. Point of initiation can be yesterday's close, today's open, it can be a moving average, it can be anything you can think of, and then you need to add or subtract a certain amount of volatility. That is how you exactly calculate the breakout entry. And then you need, of course, some kind of a filter. Otherwise, you would have so many trades, which would result in low average trade and probably a lot of noise. So again, this is my entire formula, which I use to build almost 2,500 strategies. The whole secret is that I'm constantly coming up with different variations of point of initiations. I'm constantly coming up with different ideas how to calculate a space, and I'm constantly trying and experimenting with different filters. And by the way, I have already shared many strategies on this YouTube channel, which all were built with the same formula. And now let's start talking about how to modify this template to start creating viable swing strategies. So the step number 2 is to use end of week exit. In the day trading, we use the end of the day exit, while in the swing trading, we use the end of week exit. Why do we exit the position at the end of the week? Well, this is something which we have been doing in our hedge fund and which I have been doing in my private trading the entire time from the very beginning. And the reason is very simple. Holding your position over a weekend can be really risky. Even in our hedge fund, we have witnessed situations where there was a big gap developed over the weekend once the exchange was closed, and then we ended up with a loss much higher than our stop loss. That's why I and our hedge fund team, we said no trading over the weekend at all. And now we only create a swing strategies, entering the position literally anytime during the week, but always exiting all the positions at the end of the week on Friday with closing bell, so we do not keep our position overnight. So that's the major difference when you compare the application on day trading, which I described in the previous video, and when you want to apply it on swing trading. And finally, step number 3. You need a complex exit management. With day trading strategies, it was quite easy. We used maximum favorable and maximum adverse excursion. And again, you can watch the video which I released before this one. But with swing trading, the exits are quite complicated. You cannot rely simply on stop loss or on profit target, which, by the way, you can calculate with the same maximum adverse and maximum favorable excursion technique from the last video. But you also need to deploy some extra technique because the complexity of swing strategies is a little bit more convoluted compared to day trading. What we have proven in our hedge fund as the #1 best exit technique is bars since entry. So we always optimize the optimum exit as a number of bars since the very entry, and we mostly use time frames like 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120 minutes, and it really depends on the market what the optimal exit is, but that's how we exit. So for swing strategies, the number one exit is always the end of the week exit. The number two exit is always bars since the entry, which we optimize, and then on top of these exits we always add a profit target or stop loss. Actually, we don't always add profit target because sometimes the strategy works better without it, but we always add a stop loss, again based on the maximum favorable and maximum adverse excursion, which I explained in the previous video. So again, nothing complicated. You can use this proven formula to create endless number of strategies for yourself as well. You can get more advices and practical tips on this channel if you subscribe right now, and you can also download a free course on creating breakout trading strategies which just work. Just scroll down and click on the link below. And now tell me, what is your approach to creating swing strategies? Please comment below and let us know what is your best approach to create viable quality swing strategies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give us a thumb up, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Meanwhile, happy trading!